got pulled over. Good morning, and it is Saturday. Wait, it's not Saturday. I'm kidding. It's Friday. Hold on. Yep, it's Friday, March 22, and I'm actually trying to go ahead and I'm in a rush because I have to go and pick up some stuff on the way. I'm actually going to Waldorf to meet with Clarice. Yeah, so anyway, I didn't start my intro at the house because I was just like getting ready, and I have something to do at 10:30. It's actually 10:01 something now, and it's very windy, you guys. And did you know that I curl my hair? I don't know what happened to me, but I just try to curl my hair, but I don't know if it turns good or whatnot. But anyway, I'm going to vlog today, and hopefully the battery camera will last long because I forgot to charge it yesterday night. When I got home, it was just like so tired from yesterday. But hopefully the camera will last long. But if not, I'm just gonna use my my phone to vlog if the battery die. Hopefully it's not gonna die soon. But anyway, yeah, finally the weather cleared up, and it's actually 50 degrees. I'm actually just wearing a bodysuit, the black bodysuit that I got from Ross. I'm actually wearing it right now, and also the Champion sweatpants. That's what I'm wearing. And this one, it's kind of like where did I get these? Marshalls. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I wear later. But anyway, I'm just trying to rush and go to the appointment that I have to go. So anyway, I'm gonna update you guys later because I'm going to drive, and I will okay, hopefully I don't get caught on traffic because that would be bad. Also, you guys, I'm going to pick up the box for the Balikbayan box part 2. So since I'm in Waldorf, I might just well and pick up the other box so I can finally film, and I'll be done with this whole Balikbayan thing soon. And I'm really excited because after this, maybe next week I will be sending it to the Philippines, so that's really good. And okay, yo, this, oh my god, this weather sucks so bad. It's the 3rd day of spring, and I don't know, yesterday was literally raining. It's like 100% of rain yesterday, and now it's kind of good, but it's windy, and it's making it cold. So anyways, that was just the update. I'm still driving, and I'm almost there. But I'm not. Me and Clarice are gonna meet up at the mall. So yeah, so it was just around 12 or 1. So hopefully after this I have to run my errands first and then go meet her. So it'll be a fun day. More months since my birthday. After April, we're going to Las Vegas and California. So I'm gonna be booked and busy, okay? So yeah, and I'm just so excited of this vacation because finally I get to go somewhere. Because we have this thing, you guys, me and my husband, every year we go on vacation. So yeah, we kind of like do that yearly now, that we have to go on vacation. I remember 2016, was that 2016? It was a game here. Yeah, we went to cruise 27th, wait, was that 2016? Oh no, we went to California 2016 and visit my grandparents and my aunt. 2017 we went to the cruise. 2018 we went to the Philippines, and now 2019 is we're going to Las Vegas and also California. So I'm really excited about that vacation. Anyway, I'm almost here, and I'm gonna update you guys later on. So yeah.
A few moments later.
Guys, can you see me? Anyway, finally all of my errands is done, so we can actually go and meet up. Well, we gotta eat. I have to eat because I am so hungry. I will show you guys the baby clothes for my nephew, and I'm so excited. I'm just happy and excited, and I don't know, I'm just so happy. Yeah, I pick up new clothes for him. As you can see, I'm just really excited. Anyway, I pick up some new clothes for him, and I can't wait to show my sister the clothes, girl, because I know she's gonna be so excited as well. So anyway, I'm in here in the back road, and I'm gonna send the 2 box. I have the box, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a big box under here in my driver's seat, well, the back seat. I have 2 boxes because I asked the lady in the Filipino store. She told me that I locked out, so because I think they're gonna start shipping tomorrow, and I haven't packed that stuff. So she told me to just go back next week, and for April they're gonna start shipping it, you know, to the country around April 15th. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the video. So I'm here at the parking lot. I just got here at the parking lot. Well, I keep saying parking lot. See, I need to eat Buffalo Wild Wings again. Goodbye diet. Anyway, it's okay because I didn't eat breakfast, and I'm just gonna eat some chicken wings and call it a day. Yeah, so it's 12 already, 12:10. So she's coming, Clarissa's coming, so yeah, I can't wait to eat. And oh, this bag, it has like, I don't know, I want, you know what, if I'm just gonna sit in here, might as well just do I'm gonna show you the baby clothes that I got. So got this little cute hat. This is so cute, and there's some socks together with it. So it's just like, look how tiny this is. Look how tiny this clothes. You guys can see. But yeah, I already sent a picture and a video so my sister can see, and she's really excited. And this is like a newborn sweatpants. This is so cool. Got more here. Oh my god, look how tiny this is. You guys can see that it's so tiny. Handsome. Oh, look. All of these like onesies, and it has like a pair of pants. And oh my god. So yeah, make sure to stay tuned with my part 2 of Balikbayan haul, or Balikbayan box. What's in my Balikbayan box? So if you are not yet, if you haven't watched it yet, make sure to watch it. I'm gonna leave a card somewhere here in the screen. So yeah, look at that. It's so cute. Okay, I'm just doing, I'm gonna show you guys. Since I'm just gonna here sit, might as well just do this. So that's that. Oh, there's more. And okay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's that. So Ah, this is cute. Crabby but cute. Isn't it cute? Oh my god. So that's basically it. And yeah, I gotta make room upstairs in the house here. Ay, madumi ba? Buffalo Wild Wings. What's it? Potato wedges. Say hi, be. Oo nga. Oh, nakalimutan ko. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo. Siya naka-blonde. Ako naka-color. Wishy! We're here at the mall. Here's Clarice. So we're going to the mall. Nagsara ba, be? We're here at Pandora, and Clarice is actually buying a bracelet from here, and she's just checking for more charms so she can put it in her bracelet. Can you show it to me, babe? Yan, that's really pretty.
I know. So these are not going to move because they have silicone piece inside.
We dropped the charm. We almost did
It's my whole fit. By the way, here's the hair. Guys, look at the ring. I really like this one. This one right here. It's really cute. Pandora. We're here at the Starbucks. Just gonna get some coffee before we leave. Hi. Can I get a grande pink drink and also a grande mocha frap?
Is that all for you?
Yeah. Ang ganda, look at this. Show me your hair. Ang ganda. Friends, I don't wanna be a friends. Guys, we're done at the mall. I will show you my shoes later. I'm so excited. So we're on our way to BJ's. We're gonna do a grocery. So I don't know where to go. Oh, I mean which road, but okay. I'm gonna check on you guys later. So just park here at the parking lot at BJ's. Just waiting for Clarice so we can start grocery shopping. And you guys, by the way, Viola, if you're watching this, thank you for hooking me up with this pink drink that I didn't know existed. Magkano yung bounty, be?
13.
How many? 12?
Yeah, 12 equals 36.
Good.
$3 yung discount.
That's good.
Let's go.
Alright. Saan yung ano nila? Yung doon tayo sa my beef. So I found the multi weight bread and also beef shank because I'm gonna be making bulalo. And what? Yeah, so she's just gonna try to find sugar here. Oh, speaking of seasoning, in a minute. Focus. Okay.
A few inches later.
Tapos na kami sa BJ's at nagpaalam na din ako kay Clarice. Nagtakatagalog bigla. Anyway, I'm done. Like I said, we are actually done. I actually just got this bread, which is a whole grain, multi-grain healthy bread, and also a beef shank. I will be making bulalo. So I'm gonna make bulalo. It's so hot now. Okay. So, oh. Alright, I think that's good. So I'm gonna drive home now since it's already 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna go home and oh shoot, I need to put you guys in the thing. So anyway guys, I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home and I will show you the shoes and everything that I got at the mall. So yeah.
20 minutes later.
So I got pulled over right there. I didn't know I was running so fast. So anyway, actually, hold on. You know what? I'm gonna check on you guys. What is life? Yeah. So I got pulled over because I was driving a little fast. So the officer was nice. Instead, he kind of like, I don't know, he was actually trying to explain it to me. But anyways, another ticket. I think, no, this is the first actually ticket. No, second. No, for speeding, this is the first one for speeding. Yeah, what a good day to start Friday. I mean, to end my Friday. Yeah, so it just says exceeding for a posted maximum speed limit. I was actually driving, that's almost 90, that's what he said. And then he kind of lowered, wait, is it 90 or 70? And he kind of lowered down to 64 miles per hour, but I just have to pay $80. Okay, so I gotta pay this. Anyway, guys. Yo, $80 is expensive, and the speed ticket, that's expensive, man. Anyway, it's $3.50, and it's actually, I'm very close to home. And he asked me the question, like, why are you speeding? Just like, I just want to go home so bad. But yeah, what a great day to start my Friday. I mean, what a great night to end it. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and just go home and move on with my life. Gotta pay this ticket and move on with my life. I don't have any valid reasons because, well, it's my fault anyway. So please, guys, don't speed up. Anyway, let's go because I'm excited to actually show you what I got. And actually, maybe later at night, since I already have the second box, I will be doing a balikbayan part 2. So yeah, so let's go. Guys, so I'm finally dressed as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys somewhere you can see me. Think this is good. Don't mind the trash in the bag. And we're good. I think I already did the baby clothes. I'm excited about is my shoes. I got it at foot action. So this is your receipt, and here is my new baby. This is the Nike Air Force One, and looks like this right there. It's just plain white there. Okay, I gotta move it closer. So that's that, and I got this at 75. I paid $75 for this because they don't have the women's size, like 7.5, so I went to the kids section, which is 5.5. Yeah, I'm size 5.5 in kids section. So that's that. Hello. Yeah, I'm really excited because I've been wanting to get the shoes, and I finally got it. So that's that. Anyway, moving on with I got the coat that I got. Well, this is not mine, this is my husband right there. And I don't know if I'm gonna open you. Let me open this. We're gonna open this. Gonna do a haul. This is not actually mine, this is his. So gotta open it for you guys. So it's like a black coat. Oh, because he's been wanting. So this is a coat, and it's very heavy right there. I don't know how much he paid for this, like 100 something, I don't know, but that's that. It's really good quality and it's very heavy. So that's the coat. So yeah, I think that is it for today's video, because I'm gonna charge my other camera. It's really hot in here. I'm gonna charge my other camera, and I'm gonna do a part 2. I'm gonna try to do a part 2. I have to clear this up first, this mess right here. Yep, I need to clear that out. I need to put the first box downstairs so it'll be nice and clear, so I can film the second one. So anyways, make sure to like this video and follow me on my Instagram, which is Tawney. I'm gonna put it right here, right there, Tawney. And tip of the day, please try to drive slow and within the speed limit, because you don't want no ticket, girl. It's expensive, okay? Don't be like me, okay? Don't be like me. Now I have to pay that online, $80. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.